Hi, I'm Xiaoye, and for this student symposium presentation, I will share our findings from a literature review on best practices for Hispanic, Latino, Latina, Latinx, Latinx students in PK-12 schools. An interdisciplinary team of students, both undergraduate and graduate, conducted this literature review. We would also like to thank 4 additional students for their contributions. Here is an overview of this video presentation. Before we get started, it is important to operationally define what we mean by Hispanic, Latino, Latina, Latinx, and Latinx. We used an integrative literature review approach guided by the following research questions. We conducted our searches for literature in both EBSCO and Google Scholar, and we reviewed up to the first 100 articles for each search. We also found 6 additional articles with citation mining within the initial 250 articles we discovered, giving us a total of 221 articles for this literature review. We read each of the gathered articles and summarized them into a table. We then conducted both a content analysis and a thematic analysis using an open coding process on the data gathered from the articles. The articles we reviewed used a variety of approaches. From our analysis, we identified 12 best practices for Hispanic Latino students. First, schools should have instructional leaders that develop and implement inclusive policies and practices. Second, educational leaders should encourage bilingualism and multilingualism. Third, school leaders and educators should connect curricula to students' cultural backgrounds. Fourth, educators should not only engage Hispanic Latino students in classes, but they should also have high expectations for such students. Fifth, an effort to strengthen communication between schools and Hispanic Latino families should be made. Sixth, school leaders should support and understand familism, an ideology that puts priority on family. Seventh, schools should also focus on empowering Hispanic Latino students. Eighth, strengthening relationships between students and school personnel should be a priority. Ninth, schools should actively increase community connections and partnerships. 10th, racial and ethnic inequalities, discrimination, prejudices, and stereotypes need to be addressed. 11th, schools should increase the resources and support available to students and families. Lastly, school leaders should work to increase the availability of mental health resources and supports. School districts need to continue adapting to the varied needs and cultural backgrounds of the students. This literature will outline 12 types of best practices that schools can use to support Hispanic Latino students and their families. To learn more about Center for Program Evaluation, visit the following. Thank you.